Oh, brother. What is my video going to be about today? I got some light fixtures here. Am I going to be installing these light fixtures today? I might, but that's not going to be included on this particular video series. I am going to install this ceiling fan. And this ceiling fan is going to be installed in this bedroom here. We call this the guest bedroom. And there used to be a light fixture here before, and it had an existing light switch location over here, and so we've got to talk about that because there's certain things I'm going to have to do over there too. Well, if you want to watch that, stick around. Now the first thing, you see where that ceiling fan location is above the bed. And see, if you're going to install a new ceiling fan, and if you haven't moved in your place yet and stuff before your furniture comes in, it's a good idea to maybe decide, hey, are you going to replace the ceiling fan after you paint? Or in this case, there used to be an existing light fixture there. I was thinking all along, I'm taking the light fixture down and I'm going to be reinstalling the light fixture. I never thought that after I got done painting and after the furniture got in, that Mommy wanted a ceiling fan in here. But it kind of makes sense, because then during the summer, if she wants, and if this room is just a hair too hot, instead of turning the air conditioner up higher, we turn the ceiling fan on. And it's going to have a light connected to it, and it's going to be handheld remote control. And in the winter, even in the winter, this ceiling fan is going to work in this room. This room has a heating register. It happens to be on the floor down over here. See it? There it is. And that's the only heat register in this room. And we were trying to figure out where to put the desk unit. And it only made sense to put the desk unit right there for Mommy, for her computer and her copier and the TV. The TV eventually we're probably going to hang on this wall. Okay. But we thought, you know, she was like complaining in this room that the heat, that it wasn't very hot in here in the winter. And she was complaining of always being cold. Well, one of the reasons was because I didn't have this door installed just yet. After I installed the door, I says, hey, now all you have to do is close the door, keep most of the heat in this room, because the heat comes out of this room, then it comes out into this area here, and it gets caught up in here, and it goes up kind of this way and stuff, and it's like there's a constant suction in here. So when the heat comes up from that register, it just flows. That heat just flows out of this room. It comes around here, it goes on down the stairs, or it gets caught up in here. And then here's your heating air return register, and the heat, when that thermostat is on, the heat comes over there, and it takes a direct beeline right up through there. And so no wonder this room is always cold. So I says, keep the door closed first off, and in the winter you can take your ceiling fan. You know how all ceiling fans nowadays has a reverse, and you're like, I wonder what that was for. You probably don't even use it. You probably don't even know why you would want to use it. Well, in the summer you have it going one direction, and that's when the air is blowing straight down, and you can feel it. And then when you turn the ceiling fan the opposite direction, it sucks the air straight up. If you stand underneath your ceiling fan and the ceiling fan's going the opposite direction, you won't even feel it on you. And you'll be like, what's the point of that? Well, the point of that is in the winter, it takes your hot air in this room that gets caught up high, it sucks it up to the ceiling, and then it hits the ceiling, and it's got nowhere to go except to the left, to the right, over this way, back behind you, and it hits your wall, and it bounces down, and it comes down, and then it gets pushed down, and then it comes in closer to the ceiling fan, and then it sucks it back up against the ceiling, blows it back down. And that's how you do it in the winters.